Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am creating a plazo pant using my old hijab. I started a new series in which I am going to use my old hijab and turn them into beautiful dresses. But that's going to be mostly on my TikTok, so I hope you will check that out, or I'll try to upload on shorts as well. So you can see it. Anyways, first, this was my old hijab, and now I am folding it in half. Then I'm going to make a triangle. This is going to be an umbrella cut plazo. So that's why I use this pattern. So first I am going to mark on 9 inches, which is for the waist, plus 2 inches. So whatever is your waist mark, add 2 inches, and that would be your waist mark. Once you are done from the top, mark on the deepest, measure the deepest point, and in this case, in my case, is 14 inches. So I'm going to mark all around for 14 inches. Once you're done, mark all around and make a mark on 9 inches, and then just we are going to create a line for the crotch area. So from top, leave 2 inches. Here we are going to attach the belt, and from downwards we are going to mark on 7 inches over 6.5 inches, and here we are going to create a crotch area. So from the top, I am marking 21 inches, and I will be adding 2 inches for the belt. So it would be total I'm marking right now is 21 inches, which includes seam allowance, but adding 2 inches, the total length would be 23 inches for my plazo. And mark on circular motion, I would say. And then join the crotch area, add the belt, stitch the sides and hem, and then it's going to be ready, and it looks something like this. I paired this plazo with a kurta. It's a long kurta for 3 to 4 years old, and that also I made from the hijab. So I'll be posting that video soon. Hopefully see you guys later. Until then, take care, you all. Bye.